you are one of my subscribers, welcome back. If you are not and you watch any of my video, guys, please consider to subscribe to my channel, guys. Guys, this morning I have 4 delicious tea that I enjoy drinking and I want to share it with you. All right, guys, let's go. First runner up for me, guys, is the lemongrass. Guys, in my country we don't really call it lemongrass, we call it fever grass. My tea is from Jamaica, guys. I love that tea from Jamaica, guys. I really enjoy this tea, guys. It's very light and nice and delicious. I love it, guys. It's just a mellow, guys. I always love that tea. I can't get the fresh one where I live, guys, so I buy it at Amazon, guys. Amazon, I buy it, guys. It said 100% natural, no GMO. It said cut and sifted, guys. So honestly, I just love that tea, guys. I just love it. So guys, if you want to try it, try out Amazon, okay? All right, guys, I'm gonna show you how to mix it. Oh, me mix it. All right, that is the Mountain Peak ginger tea, guys. I'm gonna tell you why I like that ginger tea. That ginger tea is most ginger tea and on-the-go ginger tea. Guys, you don't even have to worry about put sugar in this because it's already come with sugar added to it. That's why I like it. Me not talk about, guys, honestly, all of them 40 when me I tell you about, me don't drink them for the benefit. Me gonna be honest to you. Me drink them because them light and nice. This, guys, if you have a cold, and you know sometimes you don't feel good and you don't even have strength in your body if you do nothing, you don't have to worry about cut up the ginger or nothing, guys, or boil no ginger or nothing. You open a pack of this with some warm water and you throw it in there and you drink your tea if you have a cold or if you have a sore throat or whatever. And if you want to add some lemon, you can add your lemon in it too, guys. So it's an on-the-go thing unless you want to add more to it, like if you want to add some honey, because this have sugar in it. If you want to go over and add some honey, you can add your honey. But this is really a really nice tea, guys. All right, and this is 100% natural. Okay, it said just add water. Just add water, guys, unless you want to add a little more honey or so add honey because sugar in it. All right, so this is a second runner up for me, guys. If you never tried the Mountain Peak, you better run up and down and run go try it, guys. Run up and down and go get your Mountain Peak, guys. If you can't find it, check out Amazon or check out your local grocery store. Guys, all right, we are go pan the third runner up. The third runner up is some nice and mellow tea, guys. All right, so this is a peppermint tea. It's a herbal tea. Caffeine free, guys. Caffeine free. That tea, guys, my husband absolutely love that tea, guys. Him love that tea, guys. With that tea, all I need are some warm water. Your choice is whether sugar or honey, guys. Trust me, very simple and very easy, guys. And guys, that in peppermint is a good thing, guys. You ever brush your teeth with peppermint toothpaste? Oh my goodness, when you brush your teeth, guys, with the peppermint toothpaste, your mouth feels so good. Your mouth feels so fresh and clean. Guys, if you never buy the peppermint toothpaste, you better run up and down and go find it. Because I tell you, you're going to love the peppermint toothpaste. And guys, peppermint is good for puffiness in the stomach. If you feel puffy, you just drink up some peppermint tea. Alright, guys, so trust me, peppermint is one good thing. So guys, now we are going to the fourth runner up is some green tea and mint. Guys, that's the tea, I call it the mixed tea. Guys, I call that tea a mixed tea because it's a 2-in-1. That I call it 2-in-1 tea. That tea is, I call it 2-in-1. That tea is a nice tea. It said herb tea, all natural. Alright, guys, and the same exact how you mix all of them tea, I saw you mix it. The only difference with that one here, you have to strain it. But all you need is some warm water or hot water. Depends on how hot you want your water. Because you know some people want them water well boiled and well scotchy, you know. So all you have to add one of them tea bag, yeah. This is a tea bag, guys. So you just add a tea bag, you just add a little honey, or you just add some sugar, guys, and that's it. And you don't enjoy a cup of tea. If you're somebody that enjoy tea, me I tell you guys, them 4 tea you make you, me I tell you, you're gonna love them. You're gonna always buy them. Cause trust me, them nice, guys. Them really and truly nice, guys. Me, if I come from work, guys, and before me eat my dinner, me can drink a cup of tea. Me can drink a cup of green tea, or me can drink me little peppermint, or me can drink a nice ginger package, or me can drink me lemongrass, which we are favorite grass, me call it. Them tea are nice and light, guys. Very nice, very light. You know? So if you're a tea lover, trust me. Here you go, guys. Here you go. Alright? I have my 4 tea them. My 4 tea. I'm gonna want you to tell me which one left me go choose, guys. Bum bada bum 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 bum. Boom. 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 Guys, which one left me go choose? Is it this? The mint tea, the green tea and mint? Is it this? Peppermint? Is it this? Fever grass? Is it this? The ginger? Which one of them I go choose, guys? Guys, if you say a fever grass, you are correctly. This is my favorite tea, guys. I love all of them, you know. I love all of them. When I say in the start of the video, I love all of them, guys. But this is my favorite tea from Jamaica. Fever grass is my favorite thing, guys. So you know me have to choose this. Alright, so let me mix it, guys, and show you, know. Alright, guys. So just a nice teaspoon. A nice teaspoon I put in it, guys. Then I throw my hot water. Yeah. Then now, guys, I'm gonna cover it for about a minute or so. I just cover it, guys, and leave it cover, and then come back to it. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave it cover for about a minute and come back to it. So see you in a minute, guys. All right, so now I'm gonna strain it. Okay, you know you have to strain it. You have to strain it, guys. Okay. So I'm going to strain it one more time. Alright, this is good. This is good, guys. So now I'm just going to mix my tea. It's up to you, guys, whether sugar or honey, whatever you prefer. Okay? Me prefer sugar, guys. What I say, whether sugar or honey. I'm going to mix my tea. Alright, so this is my fever grass tea, guys. This is my fever grass. I've them called lemongrass. Guys, no, I tell you, guys, you're gonna love this. No, guys, nice and delicious, so yeah, this is a nice and delicious cup of tea.
Lemongrass, you're my cup of tea.
Guys, if you are not one of my YouTube family, please jump into it. Alright, and it's easy, guys. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, guys, and if you are not a member, please jump into it, guys. Alright, guys, as I said in my other 2 or 3 video, I'm doing a giveaway on December. This was some untowel, kitchen untowel, and some pot and some opener. Alright, so guys, please jump into the giveaway, okay, and support my channel by joining my channel. All right, guys, simple and easy. All right, If you watch this video and you like, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave me a comment and share. All right, keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless.